All right. I have really no idea. I just kind of randomly. This is a spur of the moment adventure down here. I didn't have any real intention of doing this. But it is beautiful. I can see why someone wanted to take their socks off here. Yeah. So, wildlife around us. Clay Cliffs Natural Area. City of Big Rapids. No camping. I have no idea where I'm going at all. Like I said, this is spur of the moment adventure. So we'll see what awaits me down there. I don't know which way to go. This could dead end in like 5 seconds. I'm not sure. Have not consulted any maps or anything on this. So I don't know where I'm going. And that's half the fun of it. We'll just see where it leads. Not quite as rushing now down here. I wonder if this is where the river walk ends, because the trail keeps on going down there. Ooh, boy, it's bright, that sun. But that's the way back to the car. I'm just gonna keep on walking. Just keep on walking. See where the path leads me to. Not here. All right. I'm gonna do something really, really stupid, and I'm gonna cross this. I don't know if I can. If I can do this. I'm also gonna record it too. Oh boy. The thing is to not look down though, even though it's my natural inclination to do so. Oh my goodness, you gotta be kidding me. To record this is just too much. No. Oh shoot. All right, so I did make it, but I didn't want to record it. It's just too nerve-wracking. Trying to take a steady video going over that, but I did make it. That's where I was just a minute ago. It's a beautiful little creek. I don't even know what the name of this thing, this body of water is. I'll find out later. The point of this is to not know much about your surroundings. So that's what I'm doing. All right. I'm on the other side of this now. Whew. Shaky here, video here. The river's down here. The creek, brook, river. I don't know what this is. Stream. Whatever it may be, it is beautiful. It's just the perfect temperature out here. Around 50 or something. Ooh. Yep. So we continue. Going wherever this trail takes us to. Alright, I can cross back because that was a bad idea that I kind of feared was to begin with. And that was that that trail didn't really end up anywhere on the other side. So here we are again. And there's this massive sand dune or something here. I actually didn't even read the sign. But what does it say? See about our plans. Source regroup. Okay. Alright. Well, anyway. Here we go. So we'll just continue bending around this river here. Just around the river bend. Still wandering down this trail. But, oh my goodness, this video I'm getting is terrible. All going into the sun, basically. But I I don't see any markings. I don't see anything out here. I passed a couple people on the trail here. I just don't know where this could go on for miles or not. I'm not from the area. I don't know. There's even a neighborhood like right over there, right over the hill. I just don't know enough. So I'll keep on going. See where it leads me. I had no idea, but I did come to what might be a turning around area over there. And we're back to this body of water yet again, which is a good sign for me. And I guess technically you could cross here. The water was a little more shallow, I guess. It looks like it forks here. I mean, maybe it does continue over there. I don't know. Maybe I have no eyes on it really. I'm just gonna keep on going. Alright, there's the trail right there. One of them at least. They zigzag all around over here. So I'm not really sure where I'm going. I know I'm going back in the direction of where I'm supposed to, which is over there. Actually over there. Yeah. This tree's kind of biting to me. I don't know why. I feel like I need to stop and rest by it. It's very peaceful out here. Stopping for a minute. Other than by that little creek. Alright, back to civilization. I made it. I don't know if I was out here for an hour or 45 minutes. I don't know. Good to have a little getaway here for a bit. I mean, I guess I could continue walking over here. Doesn't look like there's that much to do over here though. There's a field, or I don't know what that is. But there's clearly signs of civilization over there. So I'm just gonna head to the car.